ChatGPT can be an incredibly helpful tool for both school and university students. It supports learning, research, creativity, time management, and more. Here are some of the main uses. First, we'll categorize the things students can do with ChatGPT. Subscribe and like the video to support the channel and get more tutorials like this one. 1. Educational uses. 2. Research and writing. 3. Mental and organizational support. 4. Technical support for university or tech students. Please note that the prompts I enter are not only usable within ChatGPT itself, but you can also use them in any other chatbot like Grok, Gemini, etc. Educational uses. 1. Answering questions. ChatGPT works like a personal tutor, making hard subjects easier to understand. It explains topics in math, science, or language in a clear, simple way. Let's see an example. I ask it to explain something in math. Could you please explain what is factorization in math? Make an example. 2. Practice and review. It can make practice quizzes or test questions to help you study. This is great for preparing before an exam. Suppose I have a programming test tomorrow and want to review my lessons. Let's create a practice exam for myself. Could you please make 10 multiple choice, 4 options, questions about HTML tags for my exam? Provide the answers at the end. The questions are perfectly designed, and the answer key is included at the end of each question as I requested. 3. Explaining complex concepts. If something is hard to understand, ChatGPT can explain it step by step. It also gives examples to make things clearer. 4. Language learning and translation. You can use it to translate text or check your grammar in different languages. It can even help you practice speaking or writing in English, French, and more. You can use ChatGPT for speaking practice by giving it a role to act as your language partner.
Hey, let's roleplay. I'm Albert, you're Jenny. We're at the cinema and we're friends. We're deciding on what to watch, but we have opposite tastes and actually you would like to do something else. I want you to have a casual, friendly tone and speak with me with very, very simple words.
Sure, sounds fun. So, Albert, what movies do you like? We can check out the options together. If you're not into movies, we could grab a snack or go for a walk instead. What do you think?
5. Solving complex problems. It helps you work through tough math or science problems. You can get step-by-step solutions and understand how to solve them yourself. 6. Speech transcription and summarization. If you record a lecture, some AI can turn the audio into text. This helps if you have trouble understanding spoken English or want a quick summary. Let's try item 5 and 6 in action. For example, I write a math problem on paper and take a picture and give the picture to ChatGPT to solve it for me. Note that solving homework with ChatGPT is not recommended at all. Instead, try to solve the problem yourself, and if you encounter a problem, get help from ChatGPT, or you can show your answer to ChatGPT at the end of solving the problem so that it can tell you whether it is correct or not. The purpose of school homework is to train your mind and creativity, although it may never be useful to you in the future and in real life. So, I upload an image and write this prompt. Could you please solve this math question? And explain each part. Wait until the answer finished. You can see that the answer is generated. For number 6, speech transcription and summarization. Suppose you are an international freshman student at a foreign university, and you have a hard time understanding what the professor is saying during class. Today, thanks to artificial intelligence, services have come that can subtitle your professor's speech for you to see. And you can also request a summary of it in the form of key points. Currently, ChatGPT cannot do this, but you can use other services and websites for this purpose. You can search Transcript with AI for Student for finding services that are matched to your convenience. With any of these, you can subtitle or summarize class sessions. For example, Lecture.new is good for transcribing at the moment. Your microphone should be on. The next idea for using students from AI is research and writing. When writing essays or academic papers like IELTS, students can use ChatGPT to generate ideas, create outlines, write introductions and conclusions, or even proofread and edit their work. Let's try a prompt related to IELTS writing. I enter my writing and ask it to correct it for me. And this is the improved version of the writing. AI also can help students summarize long articles and extract key points for easier understanding. In previous chapters, I had explained how to summarize articles, but let's review it once again. For example, suppose we have a PDF file of a book, and we want to read its summary but don't have much time. The PDF is a book titled 97 Things Every Programmer Should Know. Let's start. So, we give the file to ChatGPT and ask it to provide a summary. And you'll see that it does a great job summarizing that book for us. Another case could be this. There's a website that has published an article, and we want to know its key points. So, I give it the website, enable the search option, and ask it to list the key points for me and briefly explain each one. You can see the summary and key points extracted in a second. To go to the next line in the prompt, you can use the Shift+Enter keyboard shortcut in Windows. For research projects or presentations, it can suggest relevant topics, help organize information, and guide them toward credible sources, especially with web-connected versions. It can also help you decide what resources to use to develop your idea. Let's see an example of getting ideas for a startup. I wrote this prompt. I want to develop a mobile app that encourages people to recycle plastic bottles by collecting and delivering them to my company in exchange for financial rewards. The app should facilitate bottle collection, track user contributions, and manage payments. It explains it to you step by step. You can even ask it to explain each item further. I also tell her to show me if there is a similar idea, citing the source. You will see that it responds to your request in two ways, one of which you can choose. And below each one, its source is also introduced. Mental and organizational support. ChatGPT is also great for managing time and staying organized. It can help students create a balanced study plan, divide tasks efficiently, and even suggest techniques to reduce stress before exams. Additionally, if a student is feeling stuck creatively, ChatGPT can boost their imagination by offering ideas for stories, poems, or creative projects. Technical support. For students learning programming or working with software tools, ChatGPT can be a huge help. It can explain how code works, assist in debugging errors, and write scripts in different languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++. It also helps with learning software like Excel, Photoshop, or MATLAB by providing step-by-step instructions, making complex tools easier to use. If you know of any other ways that ChatGPT can help students, let me know so I can update this video. Thank you for watching.